5th September. Teachers' Day is a very special occasion dedicated to honoring and appreciating the contributions of teachers in shaping the future of the nation. India has been blessed with numerous exceptional teachers who have left an indelible mark on the education system. Today, we will explore the lives and achievements of 5 great teachers of India who have made a lasting impression on students and society as a whole. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was one of the most renowned teachers in India. Not only was he an eminent philosopher and statesman, but he was also a dedicated educator. Dr. Radhakrishnan served as the first Vice President and second President of India. He firmly believed in the importance of education and its role in shaping individuals and society. His contributions to the field of education are immense, and it is no wonder that his birthday, 5th September, is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. Known as the Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was not only a brilliant scientist but also a great teacher. He served as the 11th President of India and inspired millions of students with his vision and dedication. Dr. Kalam firmly believed in the power of education to transform lives and encouraged young minds to pursue their dreams. He often interacted with students, sharing his knowledge and experiences, leaving a lasting impact on their lives. Savitribai Phule happens to be the first female teacher at India's inaugural women's school. She is also acclaimed as a pioneer of contemporary Marathi poetry. Savitribai passionately advocated for the empowerment and education of women at a time when women's capabilities were often undervalued. Savitribai remained steadfast in her commitment to education despite the constant ridicule and even physical attacks by upper caste people. She also established a school for girls belonging to the untouchable caste. She finally got the recognition she deserved when British government honored her for her exceptional contributions to the field of education. Swami Vivekananda was responsible for establishing the Ramakrishna Mission, which united monks and others in the dissemination of practical Vedanta and diverse forms of social service. Vivekananda's teachings and philosophical outlook helped in numerous facets of education, faith, character development, and crucial social issues in India. He was also an advocate for the Gurukul system, which emphasized the integration of educational institutions and the home environment. Dr. Varghese Kurian, known as the father of the White Revolution, revolutionized the dairy industry in India. He was the architect of the Amul cooperative movement and played a crucial role in empowering farmers and improving their livelihoods. Dr. Kurian's dedication and innovative approach made him a great teacher who not only transformed the dairy sector but also inspired generations of entrepreneurs.